and basically as a community gave me a lot of confidence, to come out as a designer. Yeah, so my experience at And was has been always great actually. But initially I was a bit scared because I took a career switch and came to interior design. So I was not there that much sure if this field is for me. But the mentors, mainly Tavleen ma'am, she was always very supportive, and she always supported whatever I was doing. If I had a creative block, she was always there to help. All the mentors were always available, Tanya ma'am, both Avleen ma'am, and even the peers I was learning with, they were very interactive. And I think, yeah, that actually brought out the creative person in me, and today I am doing my own thing now. So I think the And basically as a community gave me a lot of confidence, to come out as a designer and start designing and helping clients and building spaces and transforming spaces. Yeah, it has been amazing actually. Recently, me and my partner, she's also an interior designer. So we have recently opened our own firm, interior design studio. Its name is Blend Spaces. We are not yet social, but we are still building and doing projects here in Delhi for now. Telling you, since like in school days also, I've always been a creative person, but I didn't have the courage to pursue it as a career. But after I graduated in economics, then I started looking up for jobs, and I understood that I can't do this for life. Or this is not. I don't think it's meant for me. So yeah, my friend helped me because she was already in interior design. You should look out for courses, and then through her I searched and came to And because of because of their learning and the process and the projects that I got to do here, I understood, yeah, I can be a designer. This could be something that I wake up and I'm loving to do. I'm not stressed, or I like, oh, I have to go to work, I have to sit on my laptop and work. I can happily work at 12, like midnight till 4 in the morning. It's a design that makes me happy. So yeah.